both clutch looks worn. See the metal plates like dark, not the same like the new one, so they never change new clutch. So I tried to remove this and inspect inside. If looks burn, I will change. I will contact you again. And what should be doing on this? Like it's burned. The plates is burned. Color. This should not be like this. The clutch for my transmission. See the color of the plates still looks good, not burned, not color black. And your supply is black, that means is burn clutch. So try to open this and to confirm if that was damaged clutch. You should give me another one. So this is it. This is refurbished. It should be clean. And it's dirty, man. Dirty. Then see how it's already used.
Not refurbished.
Not refurbished. See the clutch stick is not thin. I mean it's thin, it's not thick. See, it's still not good. See, you just clean by machine, then you should change anything. It's not good.
So it's still damaged. It will not work in short.
Yeah.
Right.
See, it will not long last. It's already used. Then this one, the plate, oh come on, it's so dirty. How did you explain that? I have to remove this thing. So this is the clutch one. See, dirty, still not good. See, or the use is not, they never change the clutch and piston, so how could we call it refurbish? Refurbish is just to clean, but not to clean, not good clean, eh? See that one, piston is dirty, spring, turn spring is dirty. So yeah, that's not good.